What have you got for me?
The MGSD Gundam Aerial.
What? What is this?
What is this?
What is the meaning of this? MGSD.
So you know what is MG, right? The
Master grade.
yes, correct. And you know what is SD, right?
Super deformed.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's right.
Yeah, that's
Master
right.
grade, super deformed. But master grade are like one below perfect grade, right?
Yeah.
So they're pretty complex kits.
Yeah, they're pretty complex. And
So how do you make a super deformed complex? Because they're like the easy kits. When you go and get a super deformed, they're like.
Yeah, that's why they have the MGSD. So it's like bringing the complexity from the master grade to the chibi. Yeah, to the chibis. Yeah.
I noticed you don't have notes. Memorize them.
I'm really trying to like not letting you read any notes from the corner. Like I don't want you to do that anymore.
So this is the MGSD Gundam Aerial. It's 115 millimeters tall.
Not that.
I've been reading your notes behind the scenes.
Okay.
But did you want to have a quick look in the box?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, let's see what I can do here.
Switch.
Wow.
Nice.
Whoa.
Oh.
Which corner do you want?
Right. Yeah.
That's left.
Right bottom. Nice.
Nice. Okay, so let's hone in on this little Gundam here. Whoa, we're already met with decal or stickers.
As you can see, they have the same quality decals at the railway kits, which is really insane.
It's stickers though.
Yeah, it's stickers. Yeah. Also, the railway has the stickers. Like they're the same thing.
Not a fan.
You're into water decals, right?
Yeah.
That's your thing.
That's everybody's thing with those models, and now you guys have come in and been like, we want something easy. Yeah, well, guess what? Life isn't easy, all right? Life isn't easy. We need to struggle to build these complex models. Anyway, what have you got?
Okay, so one of the very special parts in this kit are those, the red ones.
Let me zoom in
a little bit.
What is that?
That's called Permet Score. It's like they're covered by some like semi-transparent black lid on the armor, and if you use a UV torch or something to like, it shines.
A UV torch?
Yeah, it's gonna.
Oh, we should have turned all the lights off. We should have turned all the lights off and brought in our UV torch. And we've got some clear parts over here as well.
Yeah, that's to cover all these parts. Like
protect them.
Yeah, protect them.
Protect them so they stay UV for longer.
Yeah, so this is like literally the same technique they use for the full machinic Gundam Aerial. Remember Cohen built the Aerial in the cabinet?
One that's like this big.
Yeah, that big. Yeah.
I can't believe you get a box this big and it comes out to be this big. I'm just like, are you kidding me? Would they not have like just made the sprues a little bit smaller?
Yeah.
And the box smaller? Anyway.
Yeah. That's one of the special things. And also, speaking of that, they're having a swappable part for the Permet Score. So in the anime.
Uh-oh.
Gone. So in the anime, the Permet Score could change. So that's Permet Score 6, and that's the general form. So yeah, they're giving you swap options. And
blue and red.
Yeah, blue and red. And I really like the texture of the blue one. It looks like a little bit metallic. And they're indicating the gloss and the matte, like the texture difference.
From the top to the bottom.
Yeah, from the top to the bottom.
It's like almost polished, right?
Yeah.
This is just so specific.
Yeah, and
it's so specific.
And they specially designed a structure for you to like swap the Permet Score parts, so you don't need to take off anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, generally you will do.
Yeah.
But for this one, you won't.
Nice, and then you got some green.
Yeah.
Green lasers.
Yeah.
For the sword.
Yeah, for the sword. So that's for the guns, like the rifle guns. And if you attach these to the rifle, it's gonna become to the sword. Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the inner frame.
Let me zoom out for this big chunk of plastic that we call the inner frame of a Gundam.
Yeah. So they have. It's probably be hard to see from the camera, but it has 2 different shades of gray in there.
Yes.
To indicate.
I can confirm.
Yeah,
Okay,
Toby
confirm.
confirmed. Toby confirmed.
It is 2 different shades of grey. So if you feel like it's not, then you're wrong. You're colorblind. You need to go get your eyes tested. It's 2 shades of grey.
Yeah. Very nicely detailed. It probably is the only Gundam Aerial you could see all the interior details.
Oh, so that's on the box here. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
It's interchangeable and glowing.
Yeah. That's glowing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
That's one of the most recent released kits from Bandai we could get in Australia. In Australia, it's always slow, but this is what we can get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really slow. It is slow. It's very, very slow.
Okay.
Nice. What about on the side of the box? I want to see what this thing looks like built.
Yeah.
We're still in overhead, so we might as well have a look. So that's the options.
Yeah, that's
all
options.
about there.
Yeah. And this kit has a very good range of movement, so they can do some very human-like poses.
Like that.
Yeah,
I can do that.
Insane.
I can just like come towards you like that and go, "Arr!" I'm gonna hit you with the sword.
And they and it has a deformable shield, can turn into the funnel.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Look at that pose.
Yeah,
It's like a knight.
Yeah.
Let me get over here. What's it saying? What does that say?
You can read English, don't you?
Okay, well I can't read the top part. Multiple movable axles in the back of the head and neck.
Yeah.
There you go. What about on the other side?
Just showing you the front and rear views.
Unpainted, completed model.
Yeah, it's like still looks very good if you don't do any extra touch on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. That's where I got my facts from. 115
Oh,
millimeters tall. I didn't read your notes.
Okay, you read the notes from the box.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Because Brett's not in, let me do one of mine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just you pack that away. I'm gonna go back over to this view.
Yeah.
I got a big one over here.
Let's see.
I was